Beautiful night tonight. It's like 75 degrees out right now, and it's like maybe, oh, I don't know, close to midnight. And I'm just up here on the roof of the shed, getting a good view of the city lights. Just had to come up here and get a better view. It's really pretty. Camera's not wanting to focus though. That's a little better. Woke up after just about an hour's sleep. That's not good. I need to take a trip to town tomorrow. Found a couple boxes of screws I could take back. If I can get this caulking, then I can get back to painting, or get on to doing the painting. Alright, I got 11 bucks on one. This place is kind of expensive, but it's close. I don't think I can make it to town on the gas I had left. Boy, that thing is sweet, holy moly. You can do some off-roading. Another nice truck. Yeah, that should get me to town and back. That's all I need. Nice day today. It's like high 70s, maybe 80. Overcast, no sun, and kind of hazy. But not bad, not too hot, not, not bad. Okay, I didn't have to overdraft nothing. I forgot I could do split payment, and I had $9 left on the PayPal account. Leaves me with $2. Oof. I'm looking at local temp agencies. Might have to resort to that. Maybe. This caulking will get me back in business. But yeah, if I mean, it's still so early in the month, and I might need food money, so I might be checking out a local temp agency. Try it again anyway. Hard time with all that because of my insomnia. John Paul W, thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. Ollie S, thank you very much for your continued support of the channel. And Eric C, Thank you guys so much for helping out the channel. It actually put a lot of that into gas on my last trip, and then we were able to get some caulking today. Thank you guys so much. I don't know what is with the quad shortage, but they're out of white. Last time I had to get some like mist gray, or just light gray. This is James Hardy Cool Khaki. It's kind of like a light grayish tan looking stuff. Quad Max is Quad Max. I don't care too much about the color. Yes, mission accomplished. Let's head on back. And not dilly-dally. I'm gonna be on fumes by the time we get back there. That's nice. I like that. Holy moly, it's got that pearlescent paint job on it. That looks good. That looks real good. Oh, got a RV truck liver there. Looks like he made it work with some flashing. Had to seal up them sides. That was what I wanted to do, but I had too much stuff in the back. And I kind of reached my breaking point by the time I was trying to figure out how to make that work. That was a horrible situation. I couldn't do it. Got beat up. Alright, mission accomplished. Got the quad. So I can finish caulking, then I can paint. Alright, a couple of you have mentioned that you missed the cooking vlogs, so let's get back into that. Got the pan set to low, gonna make me a spicy breakfast burrito is what I am calling it. I'm gonna take my multivitamin because I have not eaten yet today. I usually don't take vitamins, but if I skip meals I will. It's just about 3 o'clock. Didn't even really had a early dinner, so it's been a while since I've put anything in my stomach, so I feel like I got a headache coming on. That usually helps, so make a glass of ice water with ice. Finally got some ice cube trays the other day at Walmart. They're only like a few bucks, I think. I can't remember exactly, but really good deal. Made in USA ice cube trays. Game changer for the hot summer days. I like that clinky sound too. Makes me feel fancy. Get the burrito shell ready with some medium cheddar cheese and some ketchup. Gonna chop up some onion. I have my last little piece here. So I got 2 onions left, but let's go ahead and use this up. Get off this outer one because that's always kind of tough and chewy. Chop it up fairly good. And for the spicy part, we'll take a few hot jalapenos. Those I'm almost out of. I should have another jar somewhere. Love jalapenos. And we'll do the same thing with that. Mince them up, chop them up. Might be a little more than I usually put in there, but I got some smaller ones, and I want to use this jar up so I can make space, make room in the refrigerator. I like to cut out the centers. Not a big deal, or that makes a big difference, but I feel like it's better if I do. Seeds, get the seeds. Chop these up in smaller bits. Yeah, that's a bit more than what I usually put in there. Just the onions on that pile. So I got some chopped onion and chopped jalapeno. Throw some butter in the pan. It's about that much. Looks good. I don't have a kitchen sink. At the moment. Two eggs. Mix everything together. Whew. Boy, I never knew this before, but if you cook jalapenos, they put off a gas or something. It's kind of like, I would assume, like getting maced. Burns your eyes and your throat and everything. Didn't know they could do that, but boy, oh boy. Throw on some pepper. Salt. Mix things up a little more. Get those spices distributed. Grab the burrito shell, load it up. On evenly here as much as I can. it up again to melt that cheese until the shell is browned on both sides. Rotate it. Alright, that should be good. Browned on both sides. It's getting hot. Cheese should be melted. Alright, spicy breakfast burrito. Onions and jalapenos. A couple eggs. Medium cheddar. A little bit of ketchup. It's good.